Hello friends, welcome to my WhatsApp clone series where I'm going to show you how to build a close replica of the WhatsApp iOS application using SwiftUI, UIKit, Firebase, and StreamSDK to handle real-time chat functionalities and video calling functionality. In today's episode, I'm going to give you a demo of what the completed project is going to look like. And right now we have two simulators on the screen. On the left side, I am going to demo what the sign-in process looks like. And on the right side, I'm going to demo what the sign-up process looks like. So let us go right ahead and log in as Padme, which is a user that I've created at the back end already. So if I click login, we are going to be presented our authenticated state. And we have 5 tabs as usual, just like the actual WhatsApp application. We have the update screen, we have the call screen, we have the community screen, we have the chat screen, and we have the settings screen. And as you can see, it's a very close replica of the actual WhatsApp application. Now, on the right side, I'm going to demo what it looks like to actually create a new user account. So I'm going to create anakin@gmail.com, and I'm going to call it Anakin. And let's just give it a password. And let's go right ahead and sign up and try to chat with Anakin while we are logged in as Padme on the left simulator. And as you can see, this is the dark mode variant of the application. So we're going to also be building something that supports both light mode and dark mode. And if I go to my chat, we don't have any chat yet. Let us actually set up our profile by picking a new profile picture for Anakin. So I can go change profile picture and let us see what we have here. I think this looks pretty good. And I'll just select that and I'll go right ahead and save. And we have this nice progress HUD that shows when a new profile image has been selected. And as you can see, it also updates here in our status screen and everything looks good. Now let's go right ahead and create our first chat room. So in this application, we're going to be supporting both direct chats and group chats. So we're going to be building that from scratch using Firebase real-time functionality. And I'm going to create a chat with Padme. So we're going to present this picker that allows us to be able to chat with people. And I'm going to select Queen Padme. And as you can see, right on the left simulator, we have a new chat from Anakin right off. And let's go right ahead and say hi. We're going to send text messages. As you can see, the badge number increases. We get the latest messages in that channel. If we go in there, we have this nice, beautiful screen that shows what our application looks like, what our chat room screen looks like. And not only can we send text messages, we can send voice notes as well. And I'll go right ahead and show you what I mean. So let's say Anakin wants to send a voice note to, Anakin wants to send a voice note to Padme. So I'll go, hello, this is Anakin. How are you doing, Padme? Right? So we are able to record voice notes and we're able to preview the voice notes we just recorded. Hello, this is Anakin. How are you doing, Padme? Right? Sounds pretty good. And we can actually select and record multiple voice notes. Not just that, we can select photos as well. So let's go right ahead and select, I don't know, this nice, beautiful photo of Anakin, right? And let's upload both of those assets and send them to Padme. As you can see, Padme gets them right away. And look at that beautiful little view. And we have this detail screen that shows the selected image or the image that we were receiving. And we can also listen to the audio. Hello, this is Anakin. How are you doing, Padme? And as you can see, the audio actually also has controls as well. It doesn't end there. We are also going to be building one of my favorite functionalities in WhatsApp, which is the reaction functionality. So if I long press on this, look at that. We have this beautiful custom context menu interaction using a combination of SwiftUI and UIKit animation. And let's say we react to it with love because Padme is in love, right? And if we go out of our chat, you can see we have a voice message, which is the last message here. If we go back in here, we have our reaction. And of course, I can also send a message and I can send a message back from Padme. You look handsome. And let's say Padme also wants to send her own photo. So let's go right ahead and do that. And let's hit send. And look at that. We get an actual image with the actual text. And also we can react to it. We can send multiple reactions. We can also react to the voice notes. And it doesn't just end there. We can send videos, we can send photos, we can send voice messages. It is the entire package. And so let's go out of here. Let's come right in here. Let us also demo the video calling functionality. So not only can we send text messages, send voice messages, and send video messages, we can actually also make video calls in our chat room, thanks to StreamSDK for that. And so we're going to go right ahead and demo that by calling Padme. Look at that. We get an incoming call screen, right? And let's go right ahead and answer that. And when we do, we get what we are calling on the right side. As you can see, we're getting an echo. So let's mute sense. We're going to mute this. And as you can see, it looks very, very good. And it looks pretty similar to the actual WhatsApp application itself. But this is on the simulator. So it's really very hard to demo with a camera because simulators don't support cameras. So I'm going to end this call, right? And I'm going to go right ahead and call StreamUser3 and show you what I mean, because we're going to be able to demo this on an actual physical device. And here's what I mean. So I'm going to call this. And look at that. I'm going to flip the camera. I'm going to turn on the camera on here. Turn on the camera. Look at that. So let's mute this one. And as you can see, we have actual video calling ability in our application. So I'm going to go right ahead and hand this this video call. The other thing that we could really do that is also super cool is we could create group chats. So let's say we're currently logged in right now as Queen Padme. Let's say we wanted to create a group chat that consists of all of our favorite, Star Wars characters. We're going to go right here. We're going to go new group and let us select Master Yoda. Let's see, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Anakin, of course. And let's go right ahead and create this. We're going to call that Star Wars Squad. And let's go right ahead and create this channel. And as you can see, if we go right out here, we have a Star Wars Squad channel that is automatically created for us. And it says right here, it says you created this group. If we go here, it says Queen Padme created this group. Queen Padme added you to this group. And of course, we can send text messages as we've shown earlier. We can respond here. And of course, we also have push notifications. We're going to be doing push notifications for both messages, voice messages, text messages, and video messages. And I'm going to demo that. Right? And let's go right ahead and send. We're going to get a push notification. Look at that. It says Queen Padme and Star Wars Squad sent you a photo message. We could do the same thing again for voice message. Let's try that one more time. Hi, this is the Swift School channel. Let's go right ahead and send. Let's look for the push notification. Look at that. It says Queen Padme and Star Wars sent you a voice message. And that's pretty much it. We're going to be building a lot of these functionalities. This chat functionality is going to be powered by Firebase real-time database, while the video calling functionality that I demoed earlier, and we could demo it again really quickly. If we go right here and call this, as you can see, we're going to get an incoming call. This video calling functionality is being powered by StreamSDK, which is a really dope library that allows us to perform a lot of WebRTC and video streaming capacity. Hopefully you guys are excited because I'm super excited. This is a really great course, and every piece of the code is going to be available here on YouTube. And please like and subscribe because there's going to be more awesome clone series like this. I intend to build an Instagram clone, a YouTube clone, and these are going to be fully functional applications that include backend as well. And one more thing, before I forget, we are actually also going to be paginating our messages. And so let's say if I go into this favorite villain channel, this channel has a ton of messages. And as you can see, we have this pull down, nice little control that pops up when you're at the top of your messages. And when you pull down, it's going to get the historical messages or the older messages, and you can just keep scrolling till infinity. And so the goal of this, tutorial is not just to write really crappy code. I want to write a code that you could probably just modify a couple of things and be able to deploy to production. And hopefully you guys are going to have as much fun as I'm having. Please like and subscribe. Like I said, this is going to be an exciting series, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.